Oh my goodness, how cute is this? Yes, Henty. I should just put it in the oven, right? Betty Crocker. So she loves apple juice, as you can see. Look at this. Does this make sense? So guess what I'm gonna do, guys, with all these apples? You guessed it. Time to juice. These are from her school. Every day she brings one home. So we're gonna put it to good use. She opened this up, so here we go. Let's juice. She already opened this. Good job. Nice. Put some more in it. Pull it up. Put some more apples. Cover it. All right. Woo. That apple juice. Nice. Okay, so you see the stuff on the top. I'm gonna basically filter it, like strain it, and then I'll be right back. But that's the apple juice. Yummy, yummy. Natural apple juice. Yeah. Yummy. That's the apple juice. So good. So good. All right, so we got a Swiffer. I'm about to do it, but before that, look at this. Isn't this cute? It's Victoria's Secret makeup bag. How cute is it? So cute.
Pretty, right?
Look at this piggy bank.
I want it. I want the money.
Okay, so look, it looks like this inside. I had it for so long. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know some of these things were in here. Lawn comb. Who uses that? Got some Chanel. You want to see some Chanel eyeshadow? This is when I was being real bougie with the makeup. Look, can y'all tell which color I like the most? Don't use the black one. All right, so we're going to finish with this because I'm really not going to deal with it. So, here we go. We're unboxing the Swiffer Sweat Jet. No, don't take it out. Okay? Do not take it out. Okay? You have that to save money, not to take it out and play with it. So it comes with, this is how it comes. Nothing on the bottom. And y'all saw it fall out. Y'all saw it fall. See? So this is what it comes with. And it says Swiffer Wet Jet, and you just push it, stick it in right there. Just let's get down to nitty gritty. So look. It just goes in the slots like if you have the green one, the dry, and you push these little two things. Push it down till it snaps. It's gonna snap, lock into place, and this is the handle. And of course, There's nothing else. You would just attach this down on the bottom. There you go. Did you hear it? Pop, pop, pop. So we have the dry pads, and I believe it's supposed to come with batteries, but don't quote me. We're gonna find, yes. So it comes with batteries. See right here? 2 batteries, because obviously it's not gonna have batteries in it because it would be dead, right? So these are AA batteries. So you're gonna put these, bing, bang. We're gonna take this out. We're gonna put this in here because it shows you an arrow and it says a battery. Everybody that has kids, yes, y'all know. So come on, that's enough. You just slide it up. Look, see? Let me show you. Just slide it up. That's how easy it is, and it looks like this. So it has these 2 slots for the batteries. We're gonna put it in. And love your hair?
That.
Turn around. Ooh wee. You like it? Did mommy do a good job?
That.
Yay, thank
Did
you.
say that and did it say no.
Okay, which one did I get?
That.
Yay! Love you.
Love you.
You get 2 thumbs up.
And did them did mommy into a bit. Oh, did you, mommy?
You're welcome. I'm glad you like your hair.
I like my hair.
Hi, morning. Thank you. Thank you. Hey guys, so I'm not sure who has had it, or who's aware, but if you're over 40 and you're a female, born female, you need to get a mammogram, sweetie. So I got my first mammogram, yes, because I am over 40. Oh Lord, Lord of mercy. Anywho, so it went well. Everything was perfect. I have no lumps and I never did. Go get yours. Now it's time for a treat. Look at these cookies. Oh my God, who loves chocolate chips? Me. Look at how good they look. Ooh, crispy. Okay, I'm waiting. Yes.